Hi everyone, welcome to Ullswater in the English Lake District. So we've come to a place called Aira Force, which is a beautiful little walk, and also there's a waterfall further up, so we'll show you that. So let's go and have an explore around. Absolutely beautiful surroundings. It's not the nicest of weather, it's raining. Typical bank holiday weather. This is a little information board here, let's show you that. This is all about it. Let's get a bit closer for you. So let's go up here. Yeah, it's been a while since we've been, but there did definitely used to be a little cafe. Oh, Rolly the pig.
New composting companion. Oh, so you can put your lunchtime scraps.
How adorable.
Fruit peel.
That's so cute. Little picnic area here. Let's take you over here and look over this fence, see what's down here. I've not got the, as usual, I've not got the correct footwear on. Let's have a look over here. Oh. That's just like a little forest bit. Pretty though, isn't it? Look at these trees. Let's carry on up this way. Oops. Oh, my feet are soaking wet. Oh. One of these days I will come properly dressed. Right. Oh. So I think this Aira Force as well, it's a what is it, a natural what is it, the
a National Trust.
National Trust, I can't think of the word. It's a National Trust area, so obviously if you have the membership, we don't unfortunately, but if you do I think you get like free car parking and things like that.
You need to get a membership, it's a rip-off every day.
Yeah, it cost £6 for 2 hours, which I think that's pretty expensive, but
you don't want to faint when you're expensive, you just get a membership.
Yeah, I don't know how much memberships are, but there's a nice little river down there.
Look at the river.
I'll pan round here, look at that view. Absolutely stunning. Oh, red squirrels. Let's have a look. All right, yeah, so we might see some, may see some red squirrels. Ah. Wow, that's an old tree, isn't it? It's the forest bit. Nice little stream down here. Stream. Wow. So pretty. So I think this is just like a little garden area. They used to have, I think they do have flowers and things further up, from what I can remember. It's yeah, it's mainly just all different trees and more foresty. Birds sound lovely.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is mainly just like forest area. And then eventually you come to the waterfall.
It reminds me of Beacon Fell.
It does remind you of Beacon Fell a little bit, yeah.
There's a ring of stones.
Oh, look at this, someone's carved their initials in the tree. How romantic. Oh. So we'll go up these stairs, see what's up here, and hope that I don't go flying or slip anywhere. Oh, oh my God, that's so steep. I'm not cut out for all this climbing. Oh dear, that's the view from the top where we're here. I'll pan round. So stunning. So let's carry on up here. I've not seen any red squirrels yet. More stairs. Oh dear. As much as that was beautiful, that walk and climb has done me in. But I'll pan round up here. Look at this view. Absolutely stunning. Some sheep and lambs in the field. Look at all the mist. Yeah, I'm absolutely buggered after that. I'm not going to lie. So this here is the waterfall. We'll go closer, but I just thought I'd show you from here. It's a natural waterfall. Let's go and see if we can get on that bridge. Maybe. Look at this. Wow, that's so amazing. Look, it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So this is the view. This is the view from the top of the bridge.
Please be careful.
I will be careful. So this is the waterfall from the viewing station. That's the bridge we were just stood on. Another little bridge. And then that's all the stairs we had to come down. And I didn't slip once. Show you over here. There's a little plaque about the woodland walkway. And then this is the other side of the bridge. So this is the other side of the river. So we'll go up these stairs and head back down. These little sheep here and lambs, Herdwick sheep. Look at this little lamb. Oh, Millie, you just scared it. But it sounded like an elephant. Oh, aren't they adorable? Oh. So that was just to show you a quick look at Aira Force waterfall. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Thanks for watching and we will see you all in the next one.